How have I not beaten this already? Jesus Christ.
Stupid? Why am I getting called fucking stupid in my chat? That sucks. Fucking sprint, retard, sprint.
Holy shit! Jesus Christ! I beat it, dude.
You beat Black Lizard?
I play. Oh my fucking god, bro.
Jeez.
Oh my fucking god, bro. Oh my. Jesus Christ, bro. JFC, bro. That's all I'm gonna say.
Would you fluke or no?
I fluked from 70, bro. I did it like once in the ending. Jesus Christ, bro. Let's go. Okay,
Nice.
now attempt count. Oh my fucking god, bro. Jesus fucking
What?
Christ, bro. Oh my fucking.
How many
god,
attempts
bro.
were you at?
Jesus fucking
What?
Christ, bro. Oh my.
Shut up, Caleb.
I don't know really.
What?
Fucking Christ, bro. Oh my.
Shut up, dude. You missed it. Turbo G just beat the fucking hardest level in the game.
Richie just fucking win the game. You're the fucking best.
Okay, let me count it up. It's 2106 plus
Caleb, come play fucking 2P Stratus with me.
796 plus
Oh.
You say?
Ooh.
That's what I'm saying, bro. This shit's gonna be a
Fucking
movie.
play Strat Tester.
Just play some Kino Fire Trap Stratus with me, bro.
Alright, bro, I'll play some fucking Fire Trap.
Jesus
Oh,
Christ.
let's go.
I did beat it under 7k. 6,694.
Yeah, nice.
Jesus Christ, bro. That W fucking me, bro.
Good job, fucking Turby G.
W
Good
fucking
fucking
Turb.
job.